My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware type program, which is called DuplicateFinder. Duplicate File Finder is a special adware type application that currently attacks many Windows computers all over the world. This particular program operates as adware. If it gets installed, it starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. Often these ads are placed on top of other decent content. So if this duplicate finder was installed into your computer, you need to get rid of it. You need to access the special folder where this program is located and click on this uninstall file, and thus get rid of it completely from the system. Of course, you may also do it through the control panel. But the trouble is that very often a lot of adware type programs are not even mentioned in the control panel. So we recommend that you carefully research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats fully from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.